Hi. Today we're gonna do another unboxing. I'd probably say that because basically all my ones are unboxing. Yeah, I'm gonna stop saying that. And we have this from TK Maxx. I think it was TK Maxx. Yeah, we got her from TK Maxx. Her name is Decora. I don't know how to read it. Oh no. If you can read Decora, I think. Okay, if you can read Decora, tell me what that reads because I cannot read it.
Meera, show me. Decora.
Decora. Her name's Decora. Daddy, I need some help. Now I have no idea where to open her from. Can you help me, Daddy?
Yeah.
We will be back in just 1 second. I think my daddy's on me. Oh, he's already done. Okay. Sticker, sparkle, sign. I got it. We will be back in just 1 second. We got it out. Got it.
Nice.
I know. This is. Ooh, I like it. Daddy, I need some.
Did we have to remove this?
We need scissors. My daddy's in the middle of getting the core out. In the meantime, I am just taking this out. Very hard. For some reason, I thought this was going to be easy. There. Got one. I have 3 in total. Great. 1 to go. 1 down. 3 to go. Great. At least now I can put this on, okay? Daddy, take scissors.
Oh, she have a stand to keep her, okay?
Yeah, I know she has a
Look, a beautiful stand.
Oh, jeez, I got her down. She has rainbow hair. Amazing and cute. Amazingly cute. Taking off these. Now you scare me with those. Oh, thank goodness. Ooh, beautiful rainbow hair. You scared me, Daddy, with those. Daddy!
Don't worry.
Oh, good, oh, good.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna get these.
This goes in here.
Yeah, no, that doesn't work.
I know this, and then you can.
Give me 1 second. Because I'm still getting these out. This has been hard.
And look how many stickers.
Stickers. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm telling you something. She looks so cute. I mean, look at her.
She does. She has such beautiful hair. Yeah.
Where is the comb?
How many of these? From his ear.
Thank you for letting me comb her hair. And it said that it came with. Dad, give me this. No, for a second. It says. This says here. Puffy charm for you. I don't think there's any puffy charms anywhere.
These are the ones.
Oh, those are puffy charms.
Yeah.
This is puffy charms. These aren't.
These are stickers. Those are stickers. Did you take these out as well? No.
I only got one out.
Is it tricky
He
to
looks
get out?
amazing. Okay, I cannot put her on this stand. But let's put her. Where should we put her? Here. No. I don't know where to put her. Let's just put her here. She's had a hard day, so let's let her rest. Lie down over here. Good. In the meantime, I'm gonna get the rest of these out. Great. This is hard. Thanks for watching. Have a great night. And I hope that if you get any of these, tell me which ones when you got. If you got Luna Celestia, I would be like amazed. And also, she's so cute. If you get Decora, you're gonna love her. She's already. I've already fallen in love with her. Should I put her like this? These up down or to like these on each side? I'll choose. Have a great day. I'll do these by myself and bye.